Hello everyone. One day I went to countryside and then I met this man who was fishing the fish and then I asked him, he is very friendly. I asked him to cook his fish to cook and eat together and then I burn and I grill in the jungle without any ingredient, without any cooker, without anything and then I just grill it and then the taste is very so amazing. I guarantee that you never taste it before and let's see and the video together. But when if you wanna try you can come and then take fish in Cambodia we call try, yeah, try. And you see we grill, we burn, we roast, yeah, the fish without any ingredient and let's say after fishing and then we cook after fishing and then cook with little boy and then have him to cook and this fish very huge, a little guy, he's so hungry but he's afraid to me because he never know me before. Yeah, you see.
Thịt nó rồi.
Rồi.
Ngon. Ba. Không thấy. Ngâm. Chụp không đấy. Khi nó camera giúp camera này. Vâng,